If you're passionate about cutting-edge camera technology, prepare for something truly groundbreaking. DJI is gearing up to introduce what could be its most powerful and feature-packed compact camera yet, the Osmo Pocket 4. While no official announcement has been made, leaks and speculation are fueling immense excitement. If even a fraction of these rumored features turns out to be true, this could be the ultimate tool for vloggers, content creators, and anyone who values high-quality mobile video recording. So, what makes the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 a potential game-changer? Let's explore its anticipated features, design upgrades, and major performance boosts. A bold new design with a larger display. DJI is expected to tweak the Pocket 4's design to enhance usability and comfort. Reports suggest that it will feature a slightly larger and more ergonomic body, making it more comfortable to hold while maintaining its portable nature. It may weigh around 190 grams, striking a balance between compactness and improved functionality. One of the most exciting changes is the rumored 2.5-inch rotatable touchscreen, a step up from the 2-inch display on the Osmo Pocket 3. This upgrade could offer better framing, navigation, and an overall improved user experience, particularly for vloggers who frequently switch angles while recording. Unbelievable 4K video and cinematic slow motion. If you're into high-quality video recording, the Pocket 4 might redefine expectations. It's rumored to support 4K recording at 240 frames per second, effectively doubling the slow-motion capability of its predecessor. This enhancement would allow creators to capture smooth, high frame rate footage with breathtaking clarity, ideal for action shots, cinematic storytelling, and slow-motion sequences. Additionally, DJI may introduce 10-bit color recording, enabling richer colors, better dynamic range, and more professional-grade video quality. If true, this would place the Osmo Pocket 4 on par with larger mirrorless cameras in terms of color accuracy and video depth. Next-level autofocus and subject tracking. Autofocus has been a pain point for some users in previous DJI Pocket models, with occasional focus hunting issues. This time, DJI is rumored to incorporate phase detection autofocus, PDF, and eye tracking, significantly improving focus accuracy. Imagine walking through a busy city while vlogging. Your face stays perfectly in focus, no matter how much you move. Additionally, the Active Track 7.0 system is expected to be included, allowing seamless subject tracking. Whether you're filming fast-moving action or capturing cinematic scenes, this technology ensures your subject remains sharp and well-framed at all times. Extended battery life and super-fast charging. One of the biggest concerns for on-the-go creators is battery life, and DJI seems to be addressing this with major efficiency improvements. While the exact battery capacity is still unknown, leaks suggest it will surpass the 1,300 mAh battery of the Osmo Pocket 3. More importantly, fast charging is getting a boost. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support PD fast charging, potentially reaching a full charge in just 25 minutes. This would be a significant improvement over the 32-minute charge time of the previous model, allowing users to get back to filming faster than ever. Moreover, advanced heat management systems are expected to be in place, reducing the risk of overheating during extended shoots. This is especially useful for travel vloggers, event videographers, and anyone capturing longer sessions without interruptions. Advanced stabilization, a hybrid breakthrough? DJI is already a leader in mechanical gimbal stabilization, but the Osmo Pocket may 4th take things even further. Some leaks indicate that it could combine mechanical stabilization with enhanced electronic stabilization algorithms, creating the smoothest handheld footage yet. This hybrid stabilization approach would benefit fast action filming, sports, adventure, or dynamic shots, quick pans and motion sequences, cinematic vlogging, and handheld storytelling. If these rumors hold, the Pocket 4 might become the go-to compact camera for both professionals and everyday creators. Expected price and release date. Given the rumored upgrades, It's no surprise that the Pocket 4 might come at a slightly higher price point. Speculation suggests the standard model could be priced at $699, while a creator combo package may reach $799. While this is a step up from the previous model, the added features and performance enhancements could justify the cost for serious content creators. As for the release date, DJI follows a 3-year upgrade cycle for the Pocket series. If this pattern holds, we might see an official announcement in late 2026 or early 2027. While this means a bit of a wait, the improvements could make it well worth the anticipation. Final thoughts. Is the Pocket 4 worth it? Based on leaks and speculation, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and compact cameras available. Its larger display, improved autofocus, superior slow-motion recording, enhanced stabilization, and extended battery life make it a strong contender for vloggers, filmmakers, and on-the-go creators. The rumored 4K at 240 FPS, 10-bit color recording, and hybrid stabilization put it in a league of its own, rivaling much larger camera setups while maintaining a truly pocket-sized form factor. If these leaks are accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 could redefine compact video production. What do you think? Are you excited about the rumored features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments. And as always, stay tuned to Technology Review for the latest updates on cutting-edge tech and camera innovations.